the American goldfinch. We have a dark-eyed junco. Junco. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is a northern cardinal. A favorite red bird, red friend, and these two of them, the male and female, look different. The hide and seek bird, blind. How pretty. This is a little stop that was made by, I guess, a Scouts project. Got a blue jay here. Black-capped chickadee. I've always wanted to know the name of this bird. Glad I know that today. Tufted titmouse. He's tufted. Look at him, little guy. And the downy woodpecker. I think someone made these out of wool. What a great piece of art.
Wake up and hunt April to September. June to August.
What happened to this tree? It is riddled with some disease or some insect. That's just boring holes through it. Poor tree.
I wonder what...
Oh my gosh. What is this?
Oh,
A trash
what?
tree.
Demon? Why would you go into them?
How it states, oh, this graveyard
Decomposed.
demonstrates, not demon. I also had read demon. Isn't that funny? Demonstrates it's broken down. How long it takes trash to decompose when exposed to the elements. Yep.
What is a demon graveyard?
I know, me too. How minds are playing tricks on us.
Maybe they did that on purpose.
Yeah.
Why would you put red?
Cell phones. Around 150 million phones are discarded. Only 15% are recycled in the US. Okay, plastic bag takes 10 to 100 years. The plastic bag, okay? Remember that? I forgot to show you. A cell phone takes 2 million years to decompose. See for yourselves.
Banana peel. 2 years?
Oh no.
So the compost when you put it in, it would take like 2 years to decompose.
A banana peel takes longer than a cotton shirt? I guess because a
What?
cotton shirt is a plant. It's made from cotton.
But that's crazy. Actual plant fruit?
Yeah.
Fruit takes longer than
Yeah.
an item?
The goodness of the banana peel, it has nutrients that other plants can feed off of as it decomposes. The rest of this, there's nothing useful for the earth. Maybe cotton?
Yeah.
Disposable diaper. 500 years. Yes. And soda can. We gotta get off soda, don't we? Americans throw away enough aluminum every 3 months to rebuild our entire commercial air fleet. Wow, what? Oh, right in the road. Oh.
Are you okay?
It does say tumbling.
Where is it now?
Huh?
It should be blue.
Blue trail apparently. There's this little blue flags hidden.
Yeah. Oh, yes. This is another one.
And another one in there, I'm not sure why. They're not right on the trees like the others. I doubt it. It's really quiet and all you hear the birds here. Hear them?
So sorry. I thought there was a car.
Doesn't this remind you of Camp of the Woods?
Yeah. It really does. It
Or
gives
is
like
this
the
the
same
woods?
vibe. Same
Hmm.
this one's so much better than this. This is like 1,000 flowers.
Deer flies.
Ooh, okay. You can right there.
Oh, watch yourself. Watch your step.
Ooh.
16. What's 16? Do you have any numbers or anything? For that?
Oh, look, I see the car.
I see it too. So
Yeah,
I'm
we're going the
confident.
right way.
I think so.
And we're going down.
Hmm.
So we're gonna go back up. Blue is going that way, not across the bridge.
That's really. Where?
The morning duck.
Yeah. Here the morning. So nice. Who's here?
And the trail says that there's fossils here.
Really?
Yeah.
In this pond?
Yeah, it says fossils can be found near the bottom of the ravine. Books. Yeah. It says to keep them so other people can see.
There, he's all back home.
It's very thin.
It is.
How do they fit in there?
We must go
Do they
in
sleep
through the
like
corner.
with their wings out?
The tree stumps. Look at the way they've crisscrossed to give them some texture so when they're wet you don't slip. They are growing old though, you can tell. Disintegrating right back into the earth.
And the tree stump to take a little break. Just a little view.
The way the sun dances through the woods and on different spots. Far away sound of water. Do you hear it? I'll find it. If it's here, these leaves. So huge. Is that? And then there's a different kind. Then you look at the woods. I like the different textures. The moss. Each one is doing its own thing, yet they're existing together. See how round that is? How pointy those are. How narrow these are. Star. And together. together, they're just all so pretty. Nature.